Hey guys, today let's try to find your Spotify password on your iPhone device. So this is going to be pretty easy if you have your passwords saved on your iPhone device. So essentially what we need to do in order for us to locate the password of our Spotify is to launch our settings, going over the password section, and then of course scan your Face ID and do a quick search of Spotify. Now, all we need to do from there is to tap on the application of Spotify and you should see your password through here. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and access Amazon. And let's say, for example, this is the Spotify application. All we need to do is just tap on this password section to view our password like so. Now you could do the same with the quick search of Spotify on the search bar and go on over and view your Spotify password. But that is, of course, if you have your Spotify password saved on your device. Now, since I am using my Facebook account that is linked with my Spotify account, I don't really need that for my device. But of course, on your end, which is why you're watching this video, basically might have the need to look for your Spotify password on your iPhone, and it is going to be easily located right here on this section. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.